Make una listen, make I tell una something. Boko Haram, Fulani S-men, una just dey try. But you see those people they sponsor una and una. We be the Fulani himself, we from Niger come, from Chad. Come feel say una won't come take Igbo people and Christian take play. Make I tell una something. Thunder go fire una, eh?
Hello my fellow Biafrans, I'm back again. But before I say anything concerning this particular video, I want you this video to take each and every one of us that has been supporting me, sharing my video and also praying for our leader Nnamdi Kanu. Just take home of your time and watch this particular video, because this man that you are seeing on my video now is a strong man from East, and he has a serious message to tell some Igbos, and he explained something about Fulani herdsmen and Boko Haram here that I don't want any of us to miss. So just take home your time and listen to him. As they listen to him, do not forget to share so that other Biafrans can also benefit from this particular video, because this man is making a lot of sense. So share this video and remain blessed. One love.
Make una listen, make I tell una something. Boko Haram, Fulani S-men, una just dey try. But you see those people they sponsor una and una. We be the Fulani himself, we from Niger come, from Chad. Come feel say una won't come take Igbo people and Christian take play. Make I tell una something. Thunder go fire una, eh? Fire on a generation, fire on our ancestors, fire on our great-grandfather and people we send una, including that Tinubu, will be the president of this country, and the whole senators, and the whole politicians. Make thunder, we no get location, where Chukwu Okikabiama go bring, make it polish una. We wanna see truth, una no dey keep truth. We wanna see truth, una go hide them. We wanna see truth, una no go allow them to be real. Look at Nnamdi Kanu. The man where they talk truth. Sending him to life imprisonment, no be him be the thing. But wanna watch out. Wanna go see the handwork on nature. All of una we plan jail that man. The God and the Mother Earth and the universe go make sure una go die. Una no go die alive. I may be supreme. I don't fear anybody. If una try, ash on na blood, blood na water. If una do anyhow, una go see anyhow where they. Me I no dey beg person to give me power. I no dey beg anybody. I'm ready, a dead man walking. Grandson of Satan. Demon in disguise. Try me. Make una try me. Make thunder. We no get location. Remove una head. This is the message we I get to tell useless people waiting say then the judge. Even that judge himself will judge that case. Nature go flog you so that you go confess. You go confess. So to all those money we then give you for bribe, eh? You no go reach your funeral, because the wrath of God and ancestors is on you, you chief judge. Watch, God go unveil you, and then Nnamdi Kanu will be restored back by the grace of my ancestors. Thank you. Respect to original Dongla Don, the man then called Supreme. The fancy goat is thinking pum idiot. The dead man in a life. Don't be one contest I in the spitting fire. Because my eyes are splitting like a fire. Alright? Me tell you no right now because original man second down in the backyard. Having some fucking pum exercise. Waiting for all the idiots thinking idiots. People then think say them come like a Boko Haram. Let me tell you something. Me no fear no one because me no dey fear no DB1. Alright? Because of them na Abati boy them. Because me say me catch them right now. Me send them in a blaze, alright? Yeah? This is me. Original gym house, me own, no one got it, man. Me got enough thing to work on my body. Because everybody, man, look good. Then every stinking man look tentilling. When me say original bad man for real. The man that kill people for fun. Me murder people for fun. Me a looking, my fingers are inching me to stinking and pum pum and destroy every idiot. Me die them low. No one test me in the contest. Because if you test me in the contest, me buck up your brain with some punches. Alright? This is not DB1 no contest, the man then called Supreme. The dead man alive. The son of the Satan. The dead man walking. Me no fear nothing. If you know you are good. You feel say you get power. You feel say you be something. Oh boy, test me. Yes. Me they throw the stones to people who say they want come inside Southeast. Me they throw the stones to all this what they call themselves? What do they call themselves? What do they call them? Terrorists. Me original bad boy for real. You understand? They don't bath me with water from Southeast. Now, old Bender State, they talk, old worry. Waffy, you know they carry last. I'll tell you. Waffy, old Bender State. We are settled down from beginning, now you'll say. Urobo College, now I take tidy myself. Then I can't fall out again. You hear me so? 6 down black belt, Shotokan, Marathi, and Karate. You understand? I do kickboxing. I do Aikido. I do Shaolin. I do animal style. I do Bruce Lee style, which is called George Kundo. I'm a samurai. I have the spirit of a samurai with me. So if you are ready to fight with a ninja, you must be a ninja. Because only a ninja can kill a ninja. Right?
Hello, Biafrans, and people who speak the truth from their hearts. I'm only making this video because, well, there might be a need to say it out. It is painful, but our road to freedom must experience all these things. And definitely you must have enemies who don't like you. They don't like you maybe because they just hate you naturally, or they don't like your tribe. I am talking about Ruben Abati, Dr. Ruben Abati of Arise News. Every time any comment comes that speaks bad about the Igbos or disfavors them, or any kind of treatment the Igbos receive, Ruben Abati would like to trivialize it and also make it look as if it is not particularly the Igbos that are suffering. It's a general thing, and whoever did it or whatever decisions that were taken, he would like to give you some legal connotations, which I don't want to contend with him. There was a young lady that came out and was criticizing Nnamdi Kanu, and Ruben Abati was with Oji, because the Oji young lady, she's just doing her job. She says she's a journalist, she's not doing her job. But, you know, we know all the games these people are playing. That's why, you see, Donald Trump looked at a lady that happened to be a journalist. She asked a question and he said, that's a stupid question. There are times when journalists exhibit stupidity. Not that I support any denigrating comment against women, but if you ask a question that is stupid, it's only a bold man like Donald Trump that can look at you and tell you your question is stupid. So sometimes you see Ojokwe and others kind of playing, you know, in the middle. Because we're looking for investigative journalism being practiced in Nigeria, is not there. So Ruben Abati was talking about this young lady. It was Ojokwe that presented that thing, and Ruben Abati was talking that the lady was saying she comes from Abia State, and Nnamdi Kanu has caused a lot of problems, and why the whole people tensed up because of one man. I don't want to talk about the Igbo lady. That is her problem. Ruben Abati should just know that he only has an access, a platform to talk. And he's really talking. because the Yorubas hold sway in the broadcasting, dimension in Nigeria. I know when Biafra comes, we're going to have a very formidable broadcasting outfit, even with individuals coming with their own. Ruben Abati should stop saying things that he's intending to hurt the Igbos, but we understand. And it sounds so foolish that he's making reference to Ojus Okalo, and they're saying that not all Igbos support what Nnamdi Kanu is doing. Ruben Abati has no regard for the millions of Igbos that stand with Nnamdi Kanu and is defending our right. Ruben Abati does not seem to understand, or fails to understand, or refuses to understand that the thing about the Igbos started from the war, 1967. And before Philip Effiong, before he handed over, he told them, if you don't treat this Igbo's case with caution now, in future their children will come up to talk, and we have woken up to speak. So regardless of what Ruben Abati says, all I know is that one day Nigeria will happen to Ruben Abati, and I hope during that time the different republics and nations will be there. We know Ruben Abati will come to Biafra to come and visit, to come and seek for help. He will. That time is coming. Yes. So when Ruben Abati talks, I see bigotry. I see an underlying hatred against Igbo man. But that also showcases how unreasonable Ruben Abati is. And it also portrays, honestly speaking, I wouldn't mind being misunderstood here, but it's the truth. The average Yoruba man has become too Yoruba. Even as a Christian, he forgets he's a Christian. And if anything has to do with Igbo man, he will speak against it to destroy him. But we're a people. We are destined to win. Biafra will come and Ruben Abati will see it. On that day, he'll go and shit in his pants. I'm not here, cable. Biafra, God bless you. I have one more thing to say, but not now.